today's an exciting day. We're over at Porsche Barrington getting this Akrapovic Titanium slip on exhaust installed on my 991.2 2018 Carrera T. We've also put in the AMS high flow air filter. Been actually fortunate enough to watch the install process, which I will tell you is absolutely breathtaking how much stuff needs to come off the car to get this bad boy on there. So I'm just giving you guys a little bit of a sneak peek here. So we're doing a little bit of revving in the shop. We're going to check out the different modes, kind of side by side, check out the decibels, and see how loud, if there's a noise difference between the different mufflers. And like I said, super exciting. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Thanks. So I'll give you a little bit of a walk around underneath the car here so you can see what the exhaust system looks like. So we have the turbochargers right here. They're actually much smaller than I thought they would be. There's one on each side because it's twin turbocharged. These are the headers, and you can see they have this kind of half moon design going into the turbos. And then right after the turbos you have the catalytic converters, which go into the muffler. And the muffler is made out of stainless steel here. And then these are the outlets, stock exhaust tip, heat shield, and then pretty much the same thing on this side. So these are the Akrapovic tips, which I had powder coated black because it had a titanium finish, which is kind of like silver, like the muffler actually does, compared to the stock tip. And as you can see here, the outlets on the stock tip are significantly smaller than the outlets on the Akrapovic tip. So if you actually take the Akrapovic tip and try to put it on the stock muffler, kind of rattles around. So there's really no way that you can reuse the stock muffler tip with the new exhaust because of the bigger outlet diameter.